Menus are prevalent in Photoshop CS4 and all of the Adobe applications, and they're not just where you see things, but they're also where you don't, and can be invoked by right-clicking to open up what's known as a contextual menu. Let's go ahead and start off with the menu that we're all familiar with, which is the menu bar at the very top of the interface. Now from here you can of course access things such as saving functions, importing, scripts, the ability to open things and close things, and even to browse in Adobe Bridge. The edit menu allows you to copy, paste, merge, check spelling, do fills, add strokes to marquees, create brushes, and also deal with the Adobe PDF presets. Here you can also change your keyboard shortcuts if you'd like. We'll talk more about that later in an upcoming lesson. Now, by the way, preferences are going to be in two different locations based on whether or not you're on a Macintosh computer or a Windows PC. On a Mac, you'll find preferences under the Photoshop, which is also known as the title menu. And on a Windows PC, you'll find it under the edit menu. Okay, so we took a look at the menu bar. What about the other menus? Well, if you right-click on something, you'll get what's known as a contextual menu. This changes based on the operation you're trying to perform. So if you choose a tool, such as a brush, and you right-click, look what happens. We now have the ability to work with the brushes. So this is a quick way to access many of the functions of the tool you have selected. Other menus are located inside of panels. You'll find them in the upper right-hand corner, and you can click to open them up. And as you can see, with the swatches, we have all kinds of options available to us. If we choose something else, for example, layers, we'll find a different set of options. So these also change based on the panel you currently have open. So we have the menu bar. We also have menus that are attached to panels, and contextual menus that appear when you right-click on something. By the way, just before I finish this part, you'll also find options in the toolbox whenever you see the little down pointing arrow at the bottom right-hand corner. If you click and hold your mouse down, other tools will appear. Now, as you notice on the Move tool, we don't have that option. So I just wanted to bring that up because menus live everywhere inside of Photoshop CS4.